Who was the first Avenger in the Marvel Cinematic Universe? A. Iron Man, B. Captain America, C. Thor, D. Black Widow. Answer. Which stone does Vision have embedded in his forehead? A. Mind Stone, B. Power Stone, C. Reality Stone, D. Time Stone. Answer. What is the name of Thor's hammer? A. Stormbreaker, B. Mjolnir, C. Thunderstrike, D. Excalibur. Answer. Which of these characters is not an original member of the Avengers in the MCU? A. Hawkeye, B. Black Widow, C. Ant-Man, D. Thor. Answer. Who is known as the God of Mischief? A. Spider-Man, B. Thor, C. Doctor Strange, D. Loki. Answer.